y'all, welcome to the Houston Gardening Novice channel. I'm a newbie gardener here in Houston, Texas, Zone 9B. Half the time I don't know what I'm doing, but I enjoy trying things out and figuring out what works for me. I hope you can join me in my gardening journey as I slowly work on building my backyard sanctuary. So this is one of my vegetable garden beds, and it's the middle of summer, and this year for summer I just wanted to have some marigolds to hold the bed until I get into fall gardening. So I want to go ahead and start cleaning the beds and prepare this bed for the fall garden season. So I have marigolds. I threw a bunch of marigold seeds and these daisies, and it's time to go ahead and take them out. So I'll be cleaning out this bed and my other vegetable bed that's on this side. This other one has some peppers and has some African nightshade. So I'll probably leave some of the peppers, and maybe some of the nightshade I might leave a little bit, but I'll go ahead and take the marigolds and the daisies out. I have some beets that remained from the spring garden. So I'll clean all of this out, and the goal will be once I remove this plant, I'll add compost. I'll add organic compost to the beds, and then let the beds rest until I get to the fall planting. This is the bed here. I have some rose moss here, which are pretty. They're starting to wear down, so I might do this one as well. I might as well clean this out. I'll probably put cilantro and basil in this bed for the fall. Okay, so this is going to be a lot of work, and it's already very hot. I'll try get as much as I can today. If it gets too hot, I'll finish on another day, but at least I want to go ahead and work on this bed. Okay, let's get started. So as I'm cleaning, I just realized how much, how healthy the soil is. I don't know if you can see, there's a whole bunch of roly-polies that are crawling all over the soil. And I noticed I started getting roly-polies once I switched to using organic compost and organic mulch. So this is a sign of good soil health. And as I'm cleaning around, we see we have a lot of them. Okay, you probably can't see from that angle, but hopefully you can see. So that just tells me that I'm on the right path, at least with the soil amendments that I've been using. My natural soil is clay-based, so I mulch twice a year, basically. But when I noticed that when I switch to the organic mulch, the mulch breaks down much faster, but also I started getting a lot of earthworms and a lot of roly-polies, which helps, of course, break down the mulch and improves the soil. So I wanted to show that. I don't know if you can see them. All right, back to cleaning. Okay, I'm done. All the garden beds are have been cleaned up, and I've added compost to them. So this is the first one. I also went ahead and cleaned out my strawberry beds. I'll probably plant radishes or something in the fall in here. So the other one also has been cleaned. And it has compost. It's ready for planting. And this is the other bed. I left all the peppers. I have some Thai chili peppers here, which look really good. So I'll let those be. This is a Tabasco pepper right here. This is the other Tabasco. I don't know what peppers these are. I had a habanero pepper here last year, so I'm assuming one of these has to be a habanero. I have another Tabasco right there. Okay. So this bed is also ready for fall planting. And then the last bed is this one. I went ahead and cleaned this one as well. I had dianthus as well. I usually plant dianthus around my trees. The dianthus that I had, I think they were maybe 3 years old, and they were starting to flatten out a little bit. So I'll get some new ones in the fall and plant and replant them. I do like dianthus. It's supposed to be an annual, but for us it's a perennial. This here is a crepe myrtle that seeded itself from the mother plant right here. I'll move that. I'll probably pot it up and see if it survives the winter. This one here is a rosemary. I had this rosemary before, so this one must have seeded itself from what I had last year. So I'll also move that elsewhere. Okay, that's the overview of this bed. And here are my prunings. I have 3 bags. I'll wait for a couple of days so that they shrink, and then I'll put some of them in the compost. Whatever doesn't fit my compost bins, I'll just throw. But I think this is a good size for the work that I did. And this is the brand of organic compost that I used. It's a local brand, a Texas brand, but I do like their products. And I used 8 bags, so 2 in this bed, 2 in that, 1 each, and then the others are used over here. So the other 1.5, and then 2.5 in this bed right here. Okay. I didn't think I would do everything today, but I went ahead and got it done. I'm actually very tired. It's very hot right now. So I'll stop right here, and the next time I'll be planting. I've already started my seeds for the fall vegetable gardens. So the next time I'll be working on this bed will be when I'm planting my seedlings. All right, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you all on the next one. Thank you. Bye.